So we're in a new river today. I purposely didn't ask Brady where the fish are going to be. I wanted to see what we can find out. So we're at a nice, good flowing riffle here. I don't know how deep it is. The fish are generally going to be in deeper pockets. So I'm going to assume that there's a deep pocket below this riffle, and then when it flattens out. And I'm just going to work through it first with a mouse. Here we know a mouse will work, and it's a good searching pattern, and you can actually see the fish roll on it when they're interested. So we'll start with a mouse, and then we'll take it from there. The fish could be in shallow. I don't want to spook them. I don't even know how deep it is out there, so I'll gradually wade out, see how deep it gets, see if I can find a little bit deeper spot where the trout might be holding. Once I get closer to those deeper spots, I should be able to spot them, but we'll see. Oh yeah! Woo! Trying to keep side pressure on the fish because I don't want them to be hanging directly downstream if I can. That's when that hook pulls out. So I'm trying to, even though I'm leading them over in a little bit faster water, it's really not that fast. And probably I should, even though this fish didn't take a run, I'm gonna get my line in here just to get it away from the net. And this is what you don't want, is a fish directly downstream of you and you pulling straight up. You want to try to get that rod to the side so that you're not pulling them straight upstream. Ideally, I'd want to get downstream of this fish, but I don't want to wade through this water and spook other fish that might be in there. Nice female brook trout. Oh, wow. Woo! That's bigger fish than I thought. Very, very nice fish. And in the water. Off she goes.
Good job, man, brother.
Thank you, man. Well done. So it's one thing to know how to read the water, but you have to temper that with local knowledge in the conditions. So in the spot I'm standing in now, or the water I'm fishing, I would look at that slow foam line over against those alders. It's a nice current there. You can see the bubbles, so you know the food is drifting down there. But all the hits I've gotten have been out in this heavier water just below where I'm standing.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.